As a pro makeup artist of 14 years, the number one question that I get asked all the time, I wish that you could teach me how to do these makeup looks at home so that I can wear them whenever I'm getting ready for a special event. And that is what this video is all about. Since spring is almost here, basically here, if you live in Florida, it definitely is. Spring is officially when wedding season starts back up. Everybody has proms, graduations, special events, homecomings, maybe you have a baby shower, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna teach you how to create a super beautiful and flattering soft glam makeup look, but keeping it fresh and glowy for spring. This makeup look took me about 15 minutes to complete. Before, a makeup look like this would probably take me anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. If I added lashes, definitely an hour. This look right here, it's so perfect for any of your special occasions, anytime that you want to just look a little bit more glamorous, and it photographs so beautifully as well. If you're wanting to learn this super simple soft glam fresh and glowy makeup look, I have all the details listed down below on the products that I used for this look. And let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. On freshly primed eyes, we're going to go into this mini custom palette, starting off first with a mid-tone shade in the crease. I start by stamping it first in the crease and then creating the shape. I really want to make sure that this is nice and blown out, so doing this technique on makeup free face is going to really help so that you feel more confident. Then we're going to take a cream eyeshadow and stamp that all over the eyelid into the crease to help add dimension, and taking this pressed shimmer shade onto the eyelid with our fingers to help add dimension right on top of the cream eyeshadow. Then I'm just going to blend out the edges with this fluffy brush, and we're going to create a wing with an eyeshadow. This is going to make it super beginner friendly and so much more easier and foolproof for you to create that wing shape. And just really take your time with this, make it as bold as you want. I like to also line the inner corner of my eye to create more of that glam, and use the clean side of the brush to clean up the edges of my eyeliner to create that perfect crispy effect. Then we're going to go in with a little bit of micellar water to help remove any makeup fallout and clean up any fallout that we might have to get rid of that panda eye effect. Once we have that done, we're going to go into the face. We're going to start off first with this detail brush to help add contour onto the face, and then go into our skin tone shade with a smaller brush to help add coverage, and then using the larger side to help even out the rest of the skin. Taking a brightening concealer shade, putting that around the eyes, and then blending in, starting lightest to darkest. As you can see, I kind of do stamping and swiping motions, just depending on how much coverage I need. Always remember, stamping is going to add more coverage, swiping is going to lighten up the coverage and blend out softly, but I'm using a very, very gentle hand whenever I am blending. Then once we have everything nice and blended out, look at the difference between just adding highlights and contour onto one side of our face compared to the other. We're going to add a little bit of bronzer to help add warmth, putting that right above the cheek contour and below the forehead contour. And then we're going to apply our blush kind of in a C shape. I've really been liking this technique to help add fullness to my cheeks and to help me almost have like an instant cheek lift. Then we're going to blend out the concealer shade into the blush to help create that beautiful seamless blend. And then I'm going to use the star of the show. This is the Feather Dust Blotting Powder from Seint Beauty. Helps to absorb excess oil while still keeping that beautiful fresh glow, so that you have that beautiful glowy finish without looking dewy or sweaty. Then I'm going to go ahead and just take my time to really carve out my brows, because as you can see, I desperately need to get them done, but soon I will be getting them laminated. And then I'm going to clean up my brows with a little bit of a brightening concealer shade just to perfect everything. We're going to act like I didn't accidentally film this vertically instead of horizontally, but I'm going to apply my lip liner shade, and I'm going to really take my time to contour and define my lips. Once I have that, then I'm going to go in with a cream blush shade, the same exact shade I used on my cheeks, kind of this peachy shade, to help give that spring vibe, and then melt everything in with a lip oil. If you ever feel like your lip color is not going to look good, always apply a lip oil, and here we have the finished. Let me know if you end up recreating this look. Be sure to tag me on social media or send me a DM, because I would love to see your makeup look. And if you're needing someone advice on maybe shade, on color suggestions, application tips and tricks, whatever the case may be, I'm always so glad to help. My DMs are always open. I'll link all of my socials down below in the description. And I will also have my free color match form down below too. If you are wanting custom recommended shades, maybe for an all-in-one custom palette palette like the one that I used today, you can fill out that form. And if you're someone who maybe you're scared of sending in a makeup free selfie, I totally get that. I will also list my instant selfie free color match quiz so that you can fill it out, and all you have to do is just pick a couple of options. It will pick the perfect routine for you, and this has been tested out by so many people and has been spot on. And if for any reason at all the shades don't end up matching you 100%, you will get access to my beauty business hotline number where you can send me a message of what your makeup looks like, and I will help you exchange out your colors free of cost within 30 days of you purchasing your makeup. Let me know down below what special events you are going to this spring/summer season, and also let me know down below what other makeup looks you would like to see me recreate for you as well and simplify for you. Leave your requests down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.